Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your freelance work with Upwork, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your freelance work on Upwork, begin by understanding the platform's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Upwork's policies to ensure compliance. Create a strong profile that clearly outlines your skills and experiences. Take the time to set competitive and fair rates for your services. Use Upwork's built-in messaging and time tracking tools for all communication and work submission. Document your work process and keep detailed records of project milestones. Request an initial milestone payment before starting significant portions of a project. Ensure all agreements are made through Upwork's platform to maintain a record. Utilize the milestone payment system for larger projects to minimize risks. Communicate regularly with clients to clarify any questions or issues that may arise. Know how to handle disputes by leveraging Upwork's Dispute Resolution Center if necessary. Consider acquiring insurance specific to freelancers to cover potential legal issues. Stay vigilant against scams by researching potential clients and their reviews on Upwork. Set clear boundaries regarding your work hours and availability. Avoid giving away excessive information about your project until payment is secured. Use contracts for larger projects that specify ownership of the final work product. Always deliver high-quality work to maintain a good reputation on the platform. Encourage clients to provide feedback after project completion to build credibility. Regularly review your contracts and agreements to stay informed about any changes. Stay updated on Upwork's policies and procedures as they may evolve over time. Implement these steps to help secure your freelance work and enhance your experience on Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.